Solo se conoce lo que se ama y solo se ama lo que se protege.
Present 2,000 years ago, the Sinu culture knew how to work with water instead of against water.
We're starting to lose some important ecosystems that keep the water.
We are implementing the constructed wetlands, use biomimicry so the lake can take up the water clean again.
You are restoring 600 hectares through the terraces and tree planting.
Started to work on phytobioremediation, and the most striking result is that the fish has again come back.
The water is the most important resource we have. We cannot live without it.
There is a lot of power when we work together.
We start slow, but we grow big. Together we can achieve more.